Are you concerned about the purity of cremated remains? It's a common question, and today we're addressing it directly. Many people have valid concerns about the process of cremation, particularly regarding the commingling of ashes. We understand these worries and want to provide clear answers. Crematories follow strict identification protocols. From the moment a loved one arrives, they are assigned a unique identification tag that stays with them throughout the entire process. This includes multiple verification steps and digital tracking to ensure accuracy. One of the most important practices is individual cremation. Only one body is cremated at a time, ensuring that the remains you receive belong solely to your loved one. This process is meticulously controlled from start to finish. After each cremation, the cremation chamber is thoroughly cleaned. Specialized tools and procedures are used to collect all remains, preventing any commingling. This attention to detail guarantees the purity of the ashes. For added peace of mind, many crematories offer families the option to witness the cremation process. This transparency allows you to observe the procedures firsthand and provides comfort during a difficult time. Crematories operate under strict regulations. They must adhere to state laws and industry standards, which include regular audits and inspections. These regulations are in place to protect your loved one's remains and ensure ethical practices. Rest assured, crematories employ rigorous methods to ensure the purity and integrity of cremated remains. Your loved one's ashes are handled with the utmost care, respect, and professionalism.
It's against the law to mix ashes. We don't mix ashes. We would never do that to your loved one.